afternoon. This is Chip Fontaine with Utility Management Services Incorporated, your utility rate specialist. And today I'm here in Salisbury, North Carolina with my good customer David Frame, who's the president of Old Carolina Brick. I wanted to talk to you folks and let David tell you a little bit about his experience with using utility management services. He recently agreed to let us audit his electricity usage, and we found significant savings for him. And I just wanted to come by and thank you for your business. And David, what are some of the factors that led you to agree to use utility management services?
Well, thank you, Chip, for being here and working with us on our utility bills. We're a customer of Duke Energy here in Rowan County, and Utility Management Services offers a great service where they find any savings they find in our power bill. We agree to give them 50% of it, so we're gaining 50%, they're gaining the other 50%, so it's kind of a win-win situation. And we've been with them about 6 months now and had some significant savings over that period of time. And as I understand, it's an ongoing, going forward, there's more savings every billing period.
Right, there is, and there's a potential, especially as the rates go higher and higher, and the more energy that you use, the more that you save. So tell me about the actual process. Did you find the audit process easy?
Yeah, it's an easy process. We sign a contract essentially saying we'll let them do that and look at our Duke Energy bills. And that's really about it.
Yeah.
And
so we did all the heavy lifting for you.
Yeah, absolutely. Your experts do it for us.
Yeah.
And so it's a great service. I recommend it to anybody that has a pretty healthy power bill or electric bill, commercial or industrial.
Great. Well, we appreciate your business, and it was a pleasure to come by and see your facility here in Salisbury at Old Carolina Brick, where they make brick the old-fashioned way by hand. For your next house, please contact Old Carolina Brick.
Thank you, Chip. I appreciate that.
Thank you, David. Thank you.